Meet Lani and Rudy, our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are mimicking birds here in Cebu Safari. So everyone, can you say hi? So yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are the most commonly kept Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. This type of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds just like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Okay, let's start with the rooster first. How about let's try a cat?
How about you, Rudy? Can you bark? Bark, 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 bark.
How about let's try a telephone ringing? How about let's try a whistle? Good birds. Now, Mr. Irvin, I've heard that Lani and Rudy here, they love to sing. Is it true?
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
So they need to have a warm up first. So let's do the warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Well, I guess we're all set and ready for the first song. Now for the first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now for our next song, let me ask first. Who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month of April, raise your hands. Okay, so happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants. Now, Lani and Rudy, we have a lot of celebrants here today. What will we do next? Okay, last one. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart, just like how humans use their voices. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Mr. Irvin. Okay, thank you so much, Lani, and thank you so much, Rudy. And also thank you so much, Mr. Irvin.